This is the case of severe aortic regurgitation. In this apical four-chamber view, you can see the left ventricle is dilated. Ejection fraction is lower normal range. Obviously, for severe AR, if ejection fraction is lower normal range, you have to get aortic valve replaced. To find out real severity, sometimes we miss the severity of ARZ. So one important criteria I'm discussing here is Vena contracta. Again, the same thing. You see here the ejection fraction is almost 55%. This is the ARZ. Z above this baseline is AR. Below is the, if there is AS, then that will be the full of AS. In this case, there is no aortic stenosis, only severe AR. You can see this is ARZ. This is the part vena contracta. In this image, what you see, this is the part, the minimum size, that is vena contracta, size of the minimum. So for vena contracta to measure, you have to zoom the image, take the best image. Sometimes you analyze it frame by frame so that the best part of the image you get. You have to find out all three parts. This is the portion that is in LV. This is the portion that is in the aorta, and this is the portion that is going through valve. So all these three parts you have to see. Only then you should calculate vena contracta. In case of severe AR, criteria, if more than 6 millimeter, that is severe AR. Less than 3 millimeter, that is mild AR. 0.3 to 0.6 is moderate AR. In this case, it is 0.7 millimeter, so it is severe AR. So that is vena contracta. You can again see the vena contracta. This is pressure half time. For ARZ, if pressure half time is around 200, that is severe. More than 500, that is mild, and 200 to 500 is moderate. But in this case, we are getting 255 millisecond. But by that criteria, just coming close to moderate. But vena contracta is severe. LV dysfunction has started. So ultimately, this is severe AR. And so in case of AR, to find out severity, we have to see pressure half time of ARZ. And second thing, vena contracta. So many other categories are also there, like resistant volume, effective orifice area. But any two criteria, if you apply to any image, you will get the correct point. Second thing, third thing is the size of the diameter of the jet comparison to diameter of LV outlet. If that is more than 60%, that is also the criteria by which you can say it is severe AR. But any two criteria, if you find any two criteria that is coming into severe category, at the same time LV dysfunction has started, so that comes into, you can easily say this is a severe aortic regurgitation jet. So this is severe AR because vena contracta is almost 7 millimeter. So in this image, I'm just zooming the image to show you. This is sine image. I'm moving sine image. So you get zoom and sine image. The part of this jet where it is minimum, here it is minimum. You can see the minimum portion is also almost coming around 9 millimeter. And when we take like this, okay, sine image. This is the image. First I have zoomed, then I have an image where you find this is there. When you take this one, is around 7 millimeter or more, 8 millimeter. First, this is not very good image because we are not getting all three parts of the air jet. You have to get nice image of all three parts. That is, the air jet should have started within aorta, then at aortic valve, and then in alveoli also. If you find all these three components very clearly, if you do not get that image, just try to find out it by analyze by frame, analyze it by frame by just frame by frame to find out the correct image after zooming the image. So if you get correct image, then you calculate what is real vena contracta. So vena contracta is more than 6 millimeters in favor of severe AR. Thank you.